If you ever want to fly passengers in your plane, just know that they will most likely break something. And one of the things that passengers absolutely love to break in my plane are, let's see if I can get a good shot on this. These are the vents that direct air from the inlets right on the wing. They carry in, there's a little tube there, and they go right at the floorboards. I've got 2 of them, and they are amazing. I just got done with doing my little video on the little fan because it's 9 bajillion degrees in Virginia, and having these to direct air on you when you're on the ground and in the air are pretty critical to, you know, not passing out. I say that in jest, but seriously, it is very helpful to have air directed to you. With the Pipers, you have a little selection switch where you can cut it off and on and kind of adjust somewhere in the middle, whatever your preference is. But because they're right on the floorboard, let me see if I can get one here so you can understand my pain here. I'll show you. There you go, like a sneak peek there, but it's right under there, and there's the second one that's broke. Oh, actually, I do a pretty good job. I didn't break that one. Yay. Okay. Ugh. But when they get in, they love to put their feet right on that board, getting off the thing, and they don't see it, that little air duct or vent, because it's black. I mean, black's stylish and everything, don't get me wrong, but it's black. It just kind of fades in. And you can see as they get old, they get brittle and nasty, mainly brittle. I'm not gonna break this one because it's probably gonna cut me. Yep, okay, well there you go. Huh. Just like everything else on this plane, once it gets old, well, I mean, these are probably somewhat close to the age of the plane. Just to throw them over there and clean them up a little bit later. They get brittle and they break. So when you got 100 and some odd person stepping on there, it's gonna happen. So solution, 3D printing. Now you can't do this with all the parts, but some parts within your plane that are, I forgot what the FAR basically says, but you can make some parts that do not affect the actual plane's operation. So, ta-da! What I'm going to do is I'm going to share the link to this. I didn't make it. Someone else did, so I want to give that person credit. If you have a 3D printer, you can make these and you can select whatever color you want. So I picked orange. Hopefully people will actually see the orange, bright blaze orange, and not step on it. So fits right in, as you saw just a few minutes ago, right into there. You're able to do it yourself, nothing too crazy, and you're good to go. So I am hoping the next time I fly with a passenger, which may be maybe today, they'll see this, not step on it. But if they do, all I have to do is just print out another one. So hope this helps. If I see anything else that we can print out and put in our airplanes, I'll let you guys know. And until then, see ya.